we are back again with another video. Today we are going to be taking a look at the Sun Joe electric pressure washer. Now this particular one is 2030 PSI max. It's an electric pressure washer, but it also comes with a few extensions. As you can see, it has reservoirs on it so that you could, put soap in it and things like that. Also, it features 5 different nozzles. You have 0%, 15, 25, 40, and you have a soap nozzle that comes with it. So we're gonna open it up, put it to this test, and see what all we can get done with it. So look in the inside. All right, so inside, as you can see, we have the actual machine. We're gonna slide it out. Put the plastic off of them. And so we have the actual machine here. It has long power cord because this is an electric model. And then here you have the different spray nozzles here. So it comes with that. Of course, comes with some literature. The holders that you attach to the side, I guess, to hold the compartments onto it. You have the reservoirs there, which you can include soap. And you attach this to get this all set up. You have your spray handle there. And lastly, you have the hose from the unit to the handle for your water connection. And it does not come, so I guess this just hooks to your existing water hose to get the water to the system. You plug it in, and it looks like it's just a pretty much plug and play system. So we're gonna get this all put together, and then we'll test the pressure of the washer. Length of cord for the actual sprayer, and you have a decent length cord for the power as well. On and over here, and then here you have your reservoirs for your soap, in which you can adjust which side you want the soap to come from with that nozzle there, and then you have your sprayer. That's pretty much it. We can take one of these off the back, whichever one you want to use. If you're going to be using soap, you can take one of the tips here, insert it onto your sprayer, and let's see what kind of pressure we get. All right, guys, so we have the pressure washer set up and ready to go. As you can see, we have the hose going to the water supply. We have the electric for the power. We have our sprayer here. And as you can see, it's not making any noise. You don't hear anything coming from the pressure washer. 40-degree nozzle. And like I said, we're about to test the power of the actual sprayer. Notice that it's not until you actually squeeze the trigger that you get any response from the pressure washer. It just sit here nice and quiet until you All right, so there you have it. This is the Sun Joe pressure washer. Also, I would like to point out that you're not getting any leakage from the pressure washer. It just sits there. We have water running from the water supply to the pressure washer, and you're not getting any leakage. And it's quiet until I get ready to spray. They sell them on Amazon. You can find them anywhere, but this one was actually on sale. That's $125, something like that. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Like, subscribe, share, and until next time, hope this video was helpful. We'll see you in the next one.